What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and you guys can see we have a package here. This turned up on my doorstep from Emax, and I have no idea what it is. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. It's a little case here. Open it up. See what we got. So it's a Emax Tinyhawk. Wow, and this is a 2S Tinyhawk. So Emax finally came out and brought this 2S Tinyhawk. Looks like rubber bands holds this battery in. So let's set this to the side. Looks just like the old Tinyhawk. We have the PH 2.0 connection on it. So let's have a look at this. So everything looks to be the same just about. As far as the form factor, feels the same. Even the bottom looks the same, except for it has these rubber bands replacing the plastic bridges that go across here to hold on to 1S batteries. So I'm guessing this is a 1S and 2S bird here. Really anxious to try this little guy out. So we got some extra rubber bands here on it. We have a screwdriver there and some other little pieces there, grommets looks like, and we have some screws in there as well. We have the 4 bladed props this time, so we can do turtle mode. Some Emax stickers in there, and we have this 2S warning: when plugging in a 2S LiPo, set the Tinyhawk S on PID profile 2 and rate profile 2. Profile 1 is tuned for 1S LiPos and will cause the drone to lose control on 2S. Okay, so bit of information there for us. We have this charger here, USB charger, and it balance charges. Pretty impressive. A little balance charger here. 2S balance charger, that is. Oh, we have a 1S pack in here too. So they supply us with a 2S and a 1S pack for this one. The next time you guys see this little guy, it's going to be in the air. The Emax Tinyhawk S. Thanks for watching.